And breaking news, so we are learning that the Maharashtra government in fact has a plan about unlocking in the state, and they are looking at a 5-level unlock process. In those areas which have a positivity rate at a 5% or below, restaurants, malls, shops, local trains, public places, tourist destinations will be allowed to open. In level 2, where section 144 is applicable, it's only about 50% of these facilities will be allowed to remain open. There is no need for an RT-PCR test for an intra-state transport, is what we are learning right now from the Maharashtra Minister Vijay Waditwar, who is announcing these norms.
5 लेवल हमने बनाया है, जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जिस स्थिति में आज के ऑक्सीजन बेड की ऑक्यूपेंसी और उसमें पॉजिटिविटी जो रेट है, उस आधार पर 5 लेवल बनाया है। पहले लेवल पे हम लोग जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट आ रहे, उस डिस्ट्रिक्ट में पूरा हमने रिस्ट्रिक्शन जो है लॉकडाउन है हटाने का निर्णय लिया है। सेकंड लेवल पे मैक्सिमम हमने लॉकडाउन में सुविधा प्रदान की है। लॉकडाउन रिलीफ करने आपने 50% पे लाने का ही किया है। तीसरे और चौथी और 5वें लेवल जो है, इसमें रिस्ट्रिक्शन थोड़ा बहुत है। 5वें लेवल में तो पूरा रेड जोन रहेगा। तीसरी और चौथी लेवल पे जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट आते हैं उसमें 50% हमने लॉकडाउन कम किया है। जो भी अभी हम गाइडलाइंस दिया है उस हिसाब से मुझे लगता है कि 1-2 इंडस्ट्री शुरू होना चाहिए, रोजगार शुरू होना चाहिए। ये सब बातों के साथ में कोविड का भी प्रभाव बढ़ना नहीं चाहिए, इसको लेकर ये निर्णय लिया गया है।
All right, so you heard that all-important reaction right now coming in from the Maharashtra Minister. Let's break that down with our colleague Yesha, who's joining us live on the broadcast. And you know, Yesha, I think the state of Maharashtra is doing this really scientifically, working around the positivity rate and accordingly, I think, letting facilities and infrastructure around open. But the real challenge is, Yesha, that we continue to maintain the positivity rates that we have today so that they continue to dip further.
So that's right. So now what has really happened is there are 36 districts in Maharashtra, of which district-wise there will be this lockdown which will take place. There will be 5 different phases. So in these 5 different phases, on the basis of the positivity rate, there will be lockdown procedure that will be put in place for each of these districts. Now 18 of the 36 districts in Maharashtra already fall in the first phase, which is the positivity level lower than 5%. In that case, most of the facilities will be open. Now be it salons, be it public places, be it transport, all of this will be open in the phase 1. That is the first phase, which will have a positivity rate of 5%. That is Thane, which is adjoining to Mumbai, will open in the first phase, whereas Mumbai, which has a positivity rate of 6+%, will be in phase 2, wherein 50% of the facilities will be allowed to open. In phase 1, all the facilities will open completely, whereas in the phase 2, it will be 50% of the facilities. Now, be it salons, be it public transports, be it theatres, be it malls, 50% would be allowed to open in phase 2. And for phase 5, that is the districts which have the highest positivity rate in Maharashtra, they will require an e-pass to travel. So for that matter, when this entire lockdown process was put in place in Maharashtra, there was e-pass that was made essential for all the district travel. But now, considering that the lockdown phase is being re-looked at, that is break the chain model is being looked at by the Maharashtra government. We saw new rules coming into place in June, which is when 15 days of unlock process was implemented. Now, going further, this phase 5 unlock process will take place, and the places which still have a high positivity rate will still remain
all right,
shut.
Yesha, they're getting us more details. Yes. Okay, and Yesha, a lot of these details will also be put on republicworld.com, where people can actually find out which is the district that they live in and which phase does it fall on. For the moment, thank you.